if you guys are considering to get GI Move LCE bike, I would suggest that you head to j-move.sg, because they're actually offering a $100 discount for GI Move LCE bike. And great news, a lot of people has been talking about GI Move MC, which the battery capacity is 20 Ah, bigger battery. I'm clueless how can a battery this big be under 20 kg. I'm really quite clueless, so I think everyone is looking forward, everyone is excited about that, curious about that. Okay, so this is the latest news from the GI Move manufacturer themselves. I was asking them, when will GI Move MC be sold in the market? Okay, let me try to retrieve the message. First batch stock ready with orange seal would be available to the market by mid to end August. There we go. You have the most updated news here from Guide to Grab Food. First batch of GI Move MC would be available from mid-August to late August. And did I make the wrong turn? I hope I'm in the right way. I think it should be the right way. Yep. Straight up ahead is... Oh, no. It's the other side. Yeah, anyway, there you go. You have the latest news here from Guide to Grab Food. Okay, gotta make this turn. Head to block 888. This short clip is from the last episode on the top right. Click to watch it or check out one of my most updated playlists that I've selected for you. Fellow riders, see you on the streets!